We'll guide you through how to fix an external hard drive not showing. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my computer, whether it's a PC or laptop, and you've gone and plugged in your external drive, and you'll find that it's not appearing. So what you can do is you can go and open up your File Explorer at the bottom here. You can always click on search and type in File Explorer and click on it. Then come to the left and go and scroll up or down, usually down, and you can press this PC and see the different devices and drives. And perhaps it's not appearing in here. And so you're wondering how you can go and fix this because you then can't go and access the files on it, or you can't just go and access it if it's brand new. So we're going to guide you through some different ways you can try to go and fix this. So it's going to go and pop up here and we can then go and start accessing it, putting files on it, or if there are already files on it, how you can then go and access them. Make sure this full guide and you don't skip anything as we're covering different ways and important information you're going to need to know. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to go and get started, we actually need to go and open up the disk management program. So what you can do is press search at the bottom, and here you want to go and type in create and format hard disk partitions. If you can't see that, alternatively, you can go and type in run. And then here you can go and type in disk, D-I-S-K, mgmt.msc, and you can then press OK and it'll go and open up as well. That will go and open up the same application, by the way. Now you want to come down to this lower part here and you want to go and scroll down. Now different things can go and happen. So first of all, you want to go and try locating it over to the left here by looking at the size. So let's go and say you go and see it here, it's gone and got the space. Or you may go and see it's unallocated and we can go and allocate that if it's brand new. But if you're in the situation, first of all, of where there are files potentially already on it, this can be happening due to a lack of a drive letter. So what you want to do is go and find the disk over to the left here by the size, and you then want to right click just to the right of it here, and you can press change drive letter and paths. Then there may not be a drive letter. So I'm just going to remove this for this example. And what we're then going to do is go and press add. So there needs to be a drive letter. So you can then go over to the right, choose one quite far down, which is not likely to be used. I could select T, for example, and then we can go and press OK. And then when it's inside a drive letter, we go and get a pop-up, and hopefully then we'll press this PC to the left. You're going to go and be able to go and access it. And you can then go and start using it. So that was an issue to do with the drive letter. Alternatively, it may be because it's not been allocated. So you can go and find disk 3 here, for example, and I can see this is not allocated. This can often happen with new drives. The space just hasn't been allocated, which is why it isn't appearing. So then what you can do is you can go and right click on it, press new simple volume, and we can then go through the wizard here. So press next. I don't change this. It's using all of that space, which is what we want, and press next. Choose a drive letter you want to go and use with this drive. So I'll just use G, but we could use something else we want to do as well. Press next. Now here we can come down. So you can go and choose the file system. Personally, I like to use exFAT because that is compatible with Mac. But if you're just using it with Windows, NTFS is fine, but I like to use exFAT. Allocation unit size, I use default. When it comes to volume label, that's going to be the name. So I'm going to keep that as new volume, and quick format will do the job. Then what you can do is press next and you can press finish. Now it's going to go and complete. So go and be patient. The space has now been allocated. I got that pop up there. And now if we go and open up File Explorer, go over to the left and you can find this PC, then it's appearing, as you can see. So we can now go and access the space on it. There we go. That is how you can go and fix it when it's not showing up. Hope that solved it. If it still hasn't, then what you should try doing is just using a different port on your computer, different USB port, see if it will appear. You can also try using a different cable as well, because it could be a problem with a cable. That is quite unlikely. What you can also try doing is testing it out on another computer as well and see if it appears there. Otherwise, sometimes drives do go and unfortunately fail, and it may be a problem physically with it. In some cases, it can go and be repaired, but in other cases, it can just go and be damaged. But hopefully with the help of this video, you've managed to go and access it, as I've managed to go and fix it in the past with the help of this video. So that's it. I hope you found this useful. If you've got any suggestions for videos you want to go and see, feel free to go and put them down below, and I look forward to going and creating them. And if there's anything else you want to go and put down there, feel free to. I look forward to help you in the next tech guide. We publish guides like this every single day.